For more, let me bring in physician and public health senior contributor for Forbes, Dr. Omer Awan. Doctor, good morning to you. Always a pleasure to have you on the show.
Good morning, Marquis. Great to be here.
So walk me through. My first thought when I heard this story, this LSD pill, was, does it help with depression because this sends you to another planet? Or, how does this work? And what's your gut reaction to it?
Yeah. Well, I would say, Marquis, this is really exciting news because with a single dose of this LSD-based drug, we've been able to decrease significantly depression symptoms compared to placebo, and at 6 weeks. And benefits were seen even at the first week. And this is important because normal conventional therapies for depression usually take about 4 to 8 weeks to see any results. And they're taken daily. So you're taking these medicines once a day. This is just one pill, and we're seeing results very early on. So really remarkable for the more than 20 million Americans that have depression. Certainly gives us another arsenal in our toolbox to treat depression. And it's been a huge mental health and public health challenge to treat depression here in America.
I feel like there's two sides to that coin, though. I feel like it could be a great thing. You take one dose that lasts you a few months, great. But what if you have, adverse reaction to it? Is that a lot of that pill in your system for an extended period of time?
Absolutely. And this is still evolving, Marquis. So based on the study that we saw, it tends to be very safe. There weren't many adverse reactions. They reported mild to moderate reactions, no issues with safety. But it's important that they only studied this for 6 weeks. So we definitely still do need much more long-term data to see if this is going to be safe and effective in the long run. And remember, this is not for everyone, because certainly if you have certain conditions like schizophrenia or bipolar disorder, that can amplify some hallucinations that you may get on these pills, because remember, these are psychedelic drugs. So definitely not for everyone. And of course, always talk to your doctor before you're put on some of these drugs.
Yeah, got to have a lot of questions coming their way, I imagine. To your point, Definium still needs new data from a second, clinical trial. So realistically, how far away are we from this being available to patients who are walking into their doctor's offices?
Well, there certainly needs to be a little bit more studies. This is a late stage trial, but we need another phase to really document the efficacy and the safety of this trial. Then it needs to go through FDA approval. And there could be good news on the forefront because, as you know, President Trump in April signed an executive order where he wanted to expedite the review of many of these psychedelic drugs. And this LSD, drug is an example of a psychedelic drug. So this could move faster than we would expect for, other drugs out there in the market.
And I'm sure just a glimmer of hope for anybody battling with depression, other mental health disorders, that hopefully something on the horizon could help them that they haven't tried yet. Dr. Omer Awan, thank you so much as always. Have a fabulous weekend, sir.
Thanks. You as well, Marquis.
Okay, still